Well, we've got a little bit of a breakdown here in communication, and it has to do with the VoiceThread assignment due yesterday. So I'm going to ask all but 3 of you who did it correctly to do it over again, okay? Pretty simple prompt. If you want to be famous, why? Hey, if you don't want to be famous, talk about famous people you admire and why you admire them. Just a simple, easygoing kind of icebreaker conversation. So that's easy peasy. But what I want you to do is put your comment in this voice thread. And when you click on that voice thread, it will look more like this. And you want to click on that, the plus button here. Maybe I can move that around a little bit, but I think you can see it well enough. Anyway, that button, the little plus in the center of the screen. But you can't use it until you've logged on. And the only way to log on is to register for a new account. So when you push the plus button, you won't get, as I do, the comment function. I click on the mic, I speak, or I click on the ABC and I text. What you will get is this sign up for VoiceThread function. And you want to click on the join VoiceThread link. Pretty simple, first name, last name, email, password, no fees, nothing like that. It's a free service when you sign up as a student. And so once you have that, then you can return to this original one here, push if you want to use the mic, or ABC if you want to use letters. And when you're prompted here, sign in with your email. And it'll ask for the email and password. And it's important that you learn how to do this, because what I'm going to start doing next week are things that are a little bit more challenging academically. I'm going to host readings. I'm going to have groups discuss them. And when you do that, you're going to want to, let's just make believe this is a reading. You're going to want to put in your comment. And then when you go to record your comment, it'll count down for a couple of seconds. You're also want to use the pencil or the marker and say, you know, this passage here, I think is the best answer to the question we've been asked, or that passage there. Circle it, explain it. And so we'll be having a discussion with the text in the voice thread. It's a good way to have a good critical reading, critical thinking kind of discussion. And it also is a way to bring a group together on the same passage and use their voices, or if need be, use the text box. That's fine. And I'm going to upload that real quickly, because I want to show you one more thing as well. You also... Okay, be quiet now. Now, the other thing is, if you have something recorded, you can also... You also want to use closed caption. And that works as well. So you can, if somebody has a difficult time hearing, they can also hear using the closed caption. So I hope this helps you guys get back to that assignment that most everybody didn't get correctly for some reason. You're going to use, in your discussion forum, you're going to use this voice thread. When you click on it, you're going to click on the plus button and the mic. That will lead you to this page here, Join VoiceThread. After you join VoiceThread, when you click on it, it'll lead you to the same page, and then you just sign in with your email, and then you will be able to be a part of that VoiceThread finally. And then when you open it up, you can use the mic. I hope that helps you understand how to do this, okay?